Okay, so today we're gonna be going on to multiple on my realm, and let me turn this off. Yeah, that's much better. So today we're gonna be going on to my realm, and well, I haven't been on it in a while. Oh yeah, let's play a mini game. Let's see. I'm gonna play Ninja Defense because it's one player. Also, it's kind of fun for me. So let me put down this microphone. I might be a bit far away sounding, but better than nothing. Here we go. So this is Ninja Defense. I'm just gonna start playing it. Punch it! Punch it! Die! You 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 die! And you die! 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 Stupid! What should I play? What should I play? So, do you want to play an adventure map? Maybe? Okay, I'll play an adventure map. It eventually gets very boring. Here's some music, and we're gonna play an adventure map. I'm just gonna be quiet while I play it, so... Okay, replay that. I'm gonna reset this world and turn it onto adventures and go to, let's say, puzzles and powers. I don't think anyone else on the YouTube community has done that yet, so turn off the music and 3, 2. Wow, second video and already having so much fun. So basically you take the item, and if you right click it, you get that power. Not Q it, Henry, not Q it. Speed. Miss! Jump. Boing. Yes and yet. Dang it. Checkpoint! Woohoo! Wait, not checkpoint. Boing boing has failed me. The boing boing has failed me. Can I not have boing boing? Dang it. And jump boost. Speed jump boost. This is always where I get stuck. Speed jump boost. Because after all, I have played this before. Flip you. And that and that. Speed jump boost. Yes! Hallelujah, levitation, you are mine. Levitation, you are mine. Now, give me the jump boost. Boing, boing. I like doing that boing, 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 boing. Doing that boing, 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 boing. Now I'm gonna play some more music. Dang it. Okay. So obviously this is hard. Yeah. Very, very hard. But how did you like that music? Yeah, I found it on YouTube. Very fun to listen to and helps me focus, so I'm gonna play it again. Seriously? Get back. I need speed. Yes, I am speed. From Lightning McQueen. Okay, that's it. 3, 2, 1. Dang it. Speed. I am speed. I give. This is so hard. So hard. Can't believe this. I will not stand for this. This game shall be blown into smithereens. This game shall be blown into smithereens. Meh. 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 Goodbye. Cool game. That's what's up. Okay, goodbye, cruel game, and goodbye, everyone else, because sadly, this is the end of our little adventure. I will play a bit more maybe later today, and that will be fun. Okay, bye!